Hi everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to make YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop. Make a new document and choose those sizes. First, go to Tools, choose the Gradient tool. Choose any colors you like. Then, color the background. Go to Filter, Distort, and click on Wave. You can set these settings or you can change it for what you want. Click OK. Go to Filter again. Choose Distort, Polar Coordinates, and press OK. Very easy. Import any image you want. Let's put it in the corner. Press Ctrl and click on it. Create a new layer. Place it under the image. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. Let's put 6. Click OK. Go to Tools. Click on Paint Bucket tool. Choose any color you want. Let's repeat it on the red background. Cool. I'll put another picture. Let's make stroke on it. Cool. Now type anything you want. Change the color. And make stroke on your text. You can add some shapes. For example, an arrow. Very easy. Thank you for watching. See you in another tutorial.